So much to edit today. How am I going to get this all done? Oh yes, it's day 3 here in the MRC studio and I'm having my zen moment right now. The incense is lit, the Yankee candle is going, the salt lamp is on, the lava lamp is starting to warm up. I feel at peace. Getting some videos ready, tutorial style stuff for YouTube, so while I'm away and also when I get back and I'm in that recovery phase of getting over jet lag and things like that, you'll still have some stuff to watch on the channel. So batching, green screen going up, and I'm going to be filming a ton of tutorials this morning. That is a huge spreadsheet full of ideas ready to record. So I've got the green screen rocking behind me. Everything else in here is already lighting on, ScreenFlow activated. Let's get down to it. Thank you for lunch. I'm stuffed. A lot of you have been asking about what's in my chain. Obviously, you know I use a Soundcraft Signature 12 MTK mixer to do most of my work. But how is it all connected, particularly when I do live streams and bits like this? Well, brace yourself. I'll take you through very quickly exactly how my chain works. So here I have the outputs of the Soundcraft Signature 12 MTK desk, group 1 and 2, assigned to these two faders here, go to my studio monitors, which are next to my computers. One there, and the group 1 output goes to that monitor over on that side of my desk. Then I've got the master output, this master fader, routed out by 2 XLRs, and that is going into my DBX processors. First and foremost, I hop into the DBX 215S and shape a lot of my EQ for the live stream. This just gives me a unique sound and makes the MRC live stream sound absolutely awesome. Connected outputs via XLR into the DBX 166XS, I then run a load of compression over the output to stop any peaks and make the live stream sound absolutely amazing. I'm also using the DBX 286S twice, one on my microphone and one for Isabella's microphone. They then run into inputs 1 and 2 on my Soundcraft desk. Here they are. Fader 1 is me, fader 2 Isabella, and all of that runs through, of course, to the master, which then in turn goes through the 166XS exactly as I've explained. And then after that, it goes under my desk into a Focusrite Scarlet 2i2 that is just over there. That then goes out to the live stream with a headphone return running over here into the Behringer Powerplay. This is a fantastic 8-channel high-power headphone mixing and distribution amplifier. It's a bit of a beast, so I can get live stream output. I also run the headphone output from my Signature 12 MTK desk into another input on this Behringer Powerplay, which will then give me the option to hear either the raw audio from my desk, which is input 1, this light is not illuminated, or the compressed output that's going out to the live stream by pushing that in and listening to input 2. I can also check for phase cancellation and things like that by making the audio output mono, and I've got the option to plug in a number of headphones, but I can control my headphones and also Isabella's headphones right here from this rack. And that just happens to be my rack. The rest of my day involves waiting for this. That's right, a bunch of YouTube uploads. Well, this has been Vlogtober Day 3. Really hope you've enjoyed it. Day 4 is still to come.